Hi, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to do an experiment called How Does a Straw Work? You will need a glass with water and a straw. So first, take your straw and suck a bit of water. Then hold the straw with your index finger. If you saw that the water was staying there, but when I removed my index finger, water went out. This happens because of air pressure. When you cover this, after sucking up the water, when you cover the straw with your finger, the pressure outside the straw cannot get on the top. So the pressure on the bottom holds the water up. However, when you left it, the gravity pushes down the water, and it came out and the water came out. I'll show you again. See? Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.